All right, so here we have a strange copyright, whatever they call them, strikes, whatever. So about 7 years ago, I did a remix of this song, Leave the Lights On, MEIKO or MEIKO, I don't know how you pronounce your name. Anyways, that's from 2012. Not that many views, about less than 500, whatever. No big deal. I'm not going to play it for you because it might get another copyright strike. I'll put it in the comments below. The links to these on the comments below. I basically did a remix rock version of her song, which you can see. This is a song here, 7 years ago, her channel. But then the weird thing is, I get a copyright strike from where is this thing? From a remixed version of it, not her record company, which I don't believe this is hers, UMG, on behalf of Fantasy Records, because they say Culture Club Code Remix or Culture Code Remix is the version that's getting copyrighted on two different places. So not her song, not her. She owns the, I don't know, her record company owns the rights to it, whatever. Look, I don't mind. I have a copyright strike or whatever this is called. What is this called anyways? Copyright summary. It's not going to hurt my channel. This is 7 years ago, by the way, too. I don't mind. It's her song. I did a remix. I did some different things to it, whatever. But I just find it strange that all of a sudden, 7 years later, the ad revenue is getting paid not to her or whoever who owns the rights to her music, but these other people, Culture Code Remix, whoever they are. So that's odd. I'm not going to dispute it because it's, I could, but then it's just going to be, I don't technically have the right. I mean, I do have the right to make the remix that I made, but I just think it's crazy. And if anyone out there knows, who to contact, if as long as you get the right the right copyright to the right person, that would be great. Otherwise, whatever. It's just weird. I have my YouTube channel a long time. It's been 7 years since I've been uploaded this song. You just get these weird copyright, they're claims. They're not copyright strikes, but they're copyright claims. And I've got many other cover songs and stuff before, which is fine, So I can't monetize it, which is fine, but either can she, and it's her song. So if you're out there watching, anyone that knows anything about it, let's get together and figure it out together. All right. I'm just rambling on. I just thought it was something interesting on these copyright things. Anyways, that's all for today. I will talk to you soon.